HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus World Recipes. A daily culinary journey to explore 365 plus global recipes, learn cooking skills, and enjoy a new flavor every day. If you're ready for a daily culinary journey to explore global flavors without feeling overwhelmed in the kitchen, HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus World Recipes is your passport to international taste. With approachable and satisfying meals for every day of the year, this guide helps you bring world cuisine to your table, whether you're cooking solo, feeding your family, or hosting friends. Organized by month and themed by season, holiday, or culinary occasion, this book features 365 plus global recipes from across every continent and a wide range of countries. From comforting classics and vibrant street foods to seasonal specialties and festive celebration dishes, each recipe offers a taste of culture through ingredients, traditions, and flavor. Designed for everyday cooks, these globally inspired meals are both fun to make and deeply rewarding to eat. Introduction. Customize your journey with cuisine tags, planning tips, and flexible ways to explore. January. Comfort foods from around the world. Warm up with cozy dishes from Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. February. Romantic flavors and amp. Cozy classics. Savor global date night favorites, savory breakfasts, and indulgent desserts. March. Fresh spring flavors across borders. Lighten up with crisp salads, seasonal bowls, handheld wraps, and stir-fries. April. Street foods and amp. Snackable favorites. Enjoy bold market bites and snackable plates from every corner of the world. May. Garden-inspired global dishes. Celebrate spring with fresh herbs, vegetables, and vibrant cultural combinations. June. Summer flavors from the tropics. Dive into grilled island favorites, tropical fruits, and refreshing global drinks. July. Fire, flavor, and amp. Festive feasts. Explore barbecue traditions, picnic dishes, spicy plates, and national holiday meals. August. Lazy days, global plates. Keep it simple with 5-ingredient recipes, coastal bites, and bold seasonal flavors. September. Back to basics with global staples. Reconnect with foundational breakfasts, grains, budget meals, and weeknight classics. October. Spooky, sweet, and amp. Seasonal eats. Embrace fall with harvest dishes, warming soups, and Halloween-inspired treats. November. Feasts and amp. Family favorites. Celebrate with global holiday mains, shareable sides, and slow-cooked comfort foods. December. Celebrations around the world. Close the year with festive appetizers, traditional mains, sweets, and good luck dishes. Conclusion. Reflect on your year of cultural cooking and stay inspired for the meals ahead. Appendices. Practical tools to help you plan, cook, substitute, and explore deeper. This is more than just a cookbook. It's a cultural adventure, a daily challenge, and a celebration of global flavor. Whether you're building your cooking skills, expanding your recipe rotation, or discovering new traditions, HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus World Recipes gives you the structure and inspiration to enjoy a new flavor every day. Let this be your daily companion. Explore 365 plus global recipes, learn essential cooking skills, and taste the world one day at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.